Capstone entry number 5. Topic: Extreme water levels. Place of interest: Cancun, Quintana Roo. The warming of the planet is closely linked to the rise in sea level. As the planet gets warmer, so do the ocean waters. Warmer ocean temperatures cause land ice to melt, adding more water into the oceans. This poses great challenges and impacts to coastal communities, damage to infrastructure, recurring coastal flooding, and changes to ecosystems. Several East and Gulf Coast cities are experiencing trend changes in minor tidal flood rates that trigger flood advisories more frequently. Among those cities is Cancun in Mexico, one of my go to places for vacationing. Just like the other cities facing trend changes, Cancun requires more vigilant attention when it comes to high water probabilities, because these may change on a year to year basis with climatological patterns. For example, the likelihood of minor tidal flooding during El Nino is associated with higher sea levels and the power and frequency of storm surges. The magnitude and gravity of coastal flooding during these high water events will only continue to intensify as local relative sea level rises. Higher than normal sea levels can increase wave action and cause widespread coastal erosion. This rise in sea level will only increase the incidence and degree of severe flooding linked to coastal storms. The consequences of these events can be catastrophic on the communities in Cancun that will not be able to keep up with the destruction. Also, land erosion can cause great damage to homes and businesses. People could lose parts of the land where they currently live on, and the recovery from it all will be very costly. Not to mention all the health related risks that may come from all the anticipated natural disasters.